Class 3 Subject English Reader Part. Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to start lesson number 8. Wisdom always wins. What? Wisdom always wins. Okay, this is a poem. Now first of all say Lesson. Lesson number 8. Wisdom always wins.
Dear student, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. So in the previous video we have to done lesson number 7, annual function of Sundarban. So today I am going to start lesson number 8. Lesson number 8, wisdom always wins. Lesson number 8, wisdom always wins. So first of all you have to also repeat behind me. Now repeat again. Lesson. Lesson number 8, wisdom always wins. Wisdom always wins. So, first of all, do you want to learn this poem? Okay. Stand up and repeat behind me. A cap seller, after selling some caps, sat under a tree to have a nap. Down comes some naughty monkey, wore all his cap, and looked so funky. A cap seller, after selling some caps, sat under a tree to have a nap. Down comes some naughty monkey, wore all his cap, and monkey looked so funky.
Okay, now what? In this poem, there are one cap seller. Who are there? Yes, there are one cap seller who are selling his caps. Who are selling his caps? Okay. Now what? After selling some caps, what? After selling some caps, he sat under a tree for take a rest. For take a rest. But what? Yes, he have slept at that time. At that time, what happened? Yes. There are some naughty monkeys. What? There are some naughty monkeys came down. Okay, came down, and what? The monkeys wore all his caps when the cap seller was asleep. The monkeys was, yes, the monkeys wore all his caps when the cap seller was asleep. Okay, now what? They wore all his caps and they are looked so funky. Okay, now what?
When Cat Sailor walked and looked around, his bag of cape was nowhere found. As he looked above on the tree, he could trace who were the thieves. As he looked above on the tree, he could trace who were the thieves.
Okay, now what happened? Yes, the cap seller come to know about the thieves as he looked above on the trees. Okay, because when cap seller walked, his bags of caps were nowhere found. Okay, at that time he saw above on the tree. Where he saw? Yes, he saw above on the tree, and he thought, who are the thieves here? Okay, understood?
Then he set his mind on work. Then he set his mind on work and threw his cap with puzzle. So did all the monkeys. They threw theirs too. Seeing him, they threw theirs too. Cap seller collected all his cap. Cap seller collected all his cap. Wisdom he deserved to clap. For his wisdom he deserved to clap.
Okay, now what happened? Yes, the cap seller set his mind on the work. At that time he thought, the cap seller threw his cap and the monkey do the same. What happened? Yes, the cap seller threw all his caps, and at that time the monkey show what cap seller are doing, and same the monkey do the same thing. Okay, this is how he got all his cap back. All his caps back. Okay, now what? Okay, now what happened? Yes, cap seller collected all his caps. Okay, because the cap seller threw his caps. Okay, and monkey do the same. At that time the cap seller collected all his caps. For his wisdom he deserves claps. All are clapping for cap seller. Okay, now what happened? We learned that patient and intelligent effort can solve any problem. Okay, we learned that patient and intelligent effort can solve any problems. Okay, now repeat again. A cap seller, after selling some caps, sat under a tree to have a nap. Down came some naughty monkeys, wore all his caps and looked so funky. When Cap Seller walked and looked around, his bag of caps was nowhere found. His bag of caps was nowhere found. As he looked above on a tree, he could trace who are the thieves. Then he set his mind on a work. And threw his cap with a jerk. So did all the monkeys too. Sing him they threw theirs too. Okay. Cap Seller collected all his caps. For his wisdom he deserved claps. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.